Hello friends, this is Tajammul Adil. Today I'm talking about iPad Pro 2020 4th edition. If you want to know what's new in it, let's go and explore. I ordered from alefksa.com. First of all, let's unbox it. It has the standard Apple wrapping on it. You can see one of the new upgrades on iPad Pro. Now we have two cameras. They have added a wide angle camera, and now we have a LiDAR scanner which is mainly used for AR applications. This one is the 12.9-inch version of the iPad Pro. Again, they have it in the 11-inch version. The upgrades are quite minimal. It keeps the same form factor, but there are some significant ones that some people might find interesting. In the box we have some documents, stickers, standard USB charger and a USB-C cable. Let's do the unboxing for Magic Keyboard, which is for 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and let's see how useful it is. Let's power up the iPad Pro first time and do the full setup, but in quick mode because its setup is so long. Let's do the unboxing for Apple Pencil 2nd generation and let's see what's inside the box. We have some documents and detail about Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So let's check the usage of. called Asphalt 8 on iPad Pro, and it gives a wonderful performance. So let's see its gameplay. What's new and whether it's a worthwhile upgrade, it's hard to really say because everybody's use of the iPad Pro is different and everybody's needs are different. It's a magical piece of glass. You can use it with touch, pencil and keyboard. Basically, iPad Pro is ultimate mobile workstation, and if you are interested in iPhone 12 Pro review, click on this link. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.